Good morning, reception class. Here is a little video to explain your phonics lesson for today. So for today's phonics lesson, you will need a pencil and the 3 sheets that you can see on the screen. So if you just want to pause me and get those ready now, please. Thank you. On Friday, we learnt a new sound and you can see it on the screen here. We learnt the sh, sh, sh letter sound, which is called a digraph because it is made up of 2 letters, but when they are together in a word, they only make 1 sound. And on the screen, just to remind you, there are a few things that have our sh sound in. We have sheep, shed, shop, shell and shark. So if you just say it with me, reception, we are practicing sh, sh, sh. Say it to the ceiling, sh. Say it to the floor, sh. Whisper it to your little finger, sh, sh, sh. And whisper it to your knee, sh, sh, sh. Right, reception, just as another little recap of our sh, sh letter sounds, I would like you to go on YouTube and have a practice singing the Jolly Phonics jingle for sh, sh. So if you just want to pause me and have a go at that now, please. Right, reception, today's lesson has a writing focus. So what I would like you to do for our first activity is just get ready the sheet that you can see on the screen. So just pause me and make sure you're ready with that now, please. Right, we are going to have a go at writing the words on this sheet. You are going to write ship, shed, shell, mash, fish and dish. Now you've got 2 choices for this. You can write the words on the sheet, so then you've got your phoneme frames to help you. There's a phoneme frame underneath each thing that you need to write. Or if you want to make it a little bit harder, you could just not use the phoneme frame and write down a list of these words. Okay, we'll do the first one together. So your first thing that you need to write is the word ship. So I'm going to say it a few times. Ship, ship. Listening carefully to the sounds I can hear in the words, and I can hear a sh, sh sound at the beginning. So I'm going to write that first. And I'm writing the sh sound in one box because it's one sound in each box. So sh goes together because it's 2 letters, but they only make 1 sound, so they just go together in one box. Sh, if, I can hear our middle sound is if and ship. Oh, the p sound at the end, so I'm writing a p here. So that's our first word done. Sh, it, ship. So if you want to now carry on with those, you need to write shed, shell, mash, fish and dish. Off you go, pause me. Right, reception, well done for having a go at writing all of those words. We're just going to check them through together. So we did ship, ship together. The next word that you needed to write on your sheet was shed, which looks like this. Shed, shed. Then under here you've got shell, which looks like this. Shell. Then we've got mash, and in mash the sh sound is at the end. Mash, mash. Then we've got a fish, and fish looks like this. Fish, fish. And then your last one is dish, which again has the sh sounds at the end and looks like this. Dish, dish. Well done, reception. And our last activity for today is another writing challenge. So you have got 2 different sentences to write. You are going to write a fish on a dish. That's your first sentence. So we'll do that one first. A fish on a dish. Let's count the words. A fish on a dish. A fish on a dish. There are 5 words in your sentence and you have got a line for each word. fish on a dish. So we need a capital A to start your sentence. So if you want to pause me and have a go at that sentence now, please. A fish on a dish. And two of the words in the sentence have a sh sound in. So pause me now and have a go at that. And I'm just going to show you mine so you can get that you've done it properly. So we've got capital A at the beginning, then ish, fish, on, a, dish, dish. And I've got my full stop at the end. Well done for doing that one. Just one more to do. Your last sentence I would like you to write is a shed on a ship. A shed on a ship. So let's count the words. A shed on a ship. A shed on a ship. So again, you've got 5 words. You've got a line for each word. A shed on a ship. So remember, you need a capital A to start your sentence. So you want to pause me and have a go at that, writing that now, please. Right, I'm just going to show you mine so you can have a check. So this sentence looks like this. We've got capital A shed, shed, on, a ship, ship. And then I've got my full stop to show my sentence is finished. Well done for having a go at those reception, and well done for working so hard in today's lesson. Give yourselves a big thumbs up and a pat on the back. Well done, reception class. I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.